I'm making this video to show how to assemble an office chair I just bought, and also I'll try out the chair after I've used it and give you feedback about it maybe after a week or two. I got this office chair from Office Furniture. It's called Ergo Tek. It's supposed to be a black net mesh chair with some aluminium pieces on it. I actually got this chair because I've used it before. I had a job whereby I requested for a chair, and they bought me a brand new chair, which was this very brand, this very chair. And I liked the chair at that time. I used it only for about 2 months. Then I quit the job. The chair couldn't keep me on the job. So I wanted to take the chair with me when I quit the job, but that was impossible at that time. But I always remember the chair and how it looked like and the name, and I told myself if I'm going to need an office chair, I'll probably go for that very one. So recently, because of COVID and coronavirus situation, people have to work from home. I've decided to get a chair for my home office, and I just thought about this one. So I'll use it, and I'll probably tell you if I still feel the same way about it after using some other chairs, and hopefully this might help someone who wants to buy this chair in the future to be able to make a decision. So today I'll be assembling the chair, and when I finish assembling it, I'll be taking pictures throughout all the different stages of the assembly, and at the end I'll show you what it looks like, and also I'll be able to tell you how it feels and give you some real owner review after using it for a week or two. So come with me on this one. The chair is fully assembled now. As you can see, it took only about 20 minutes to get it all figured out and assembled. It's got a good headrest position, which is adjustable. This you can actually move it the way you want. And the handles are adjustable at that location, upwards, downwards, and you can also adjust the handles to come out outwards or to move closer to the chair, depending on how wide your chest is. Then there's a lumbar support at the back, that one, which you can adjust. You adjust it here to go up and down to support your back. And then you've got the regular tilt mechanisms for tilting the chair under there. And you've got another one on this side for also increasing the height of the chair. Oh, sorry, it's the other way around. This one is for increasing the height, and this one is for tilting the chair. Okay, height adjustment on this side. Pull the lever, stand up, pull it, goes up, you sit, relax. Handle adjustment, higher handle, lower handle. Okay. Get the height adjustment to average height which you need. Sit back in. On this side, you can adjust this in backwards, flip it down, and put your feet up and relax. It's gonna stay there while you are not putting your back on it. And if you want it to come back, you can flip the handle again here, tilt it forward again by leaning on it, and then it springs back to you, and you get your back where you need it to be, and that you adjust. For this, you can adjust the back support here by turning this clockwise. It kind of frees it up, and now that lumbar support is free to move up or down. There, if you can see, it's moving. The lumbar support is moving up or down, downwards. There, you get it to where you need it to be. Then you turn this anti-clockwise, and it keeps pushing back on your lower back, so you get it to really support your back firmly. Then the neck, you can adjust the neck to where you want it to be, on top of your shoulders, wherever you want it to be. Get the handles up, and I think this is my perfect position for this.
Yeah.
In this position, I just need to move forward onto the bottom side of the desk, and I can use my mouse or type, do whatever I want to do.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know after 2 weeks how I'm feeling about this chair, if I'm still excited about it, or if it's not the best for back support. Before this, I've been using a dining chair which doesn't have handle support, and that has been really hurting my back. So we've decided to go for this one, and hopefully it will be that we've made a good decision. So I'll keep you updated. Cheers. So I know I told you that I was going to do a review on this chair after 2 weeks. I've not actually had 2 weeks to do this. I'm doing this review about 8 weeks after buying the chair. And in that time, I've actually found some time to sit on it and use it to do some work on the computer, so I can actually tell you about it. I've also been able to use another chair as well at work, and I'm able to compare what I miss about that and what I miss from this chair. So first thing first, I must say the handle of this chair, it's way too forward. So I would have preferred the handle to be more closer to my elbow at the back, but they are really at the front of the chair. So unless you're really out here, you can't really enjoy the handles of this chair. I've also noticed that this chair, in comparison to other chairs, it's quite wide. So if you're a wide person, you're a big person, this would be perfect for you. You would really love it. But if you're a small and tiny person, I would say this is not the perfect chair for you. Although it's really comfy, but it will look like you're sitting on an executive first class chair in an airplane rather than a normal economy size one, if you want to take that as a good thing for being small in a big chair. One other thing, the handles of this chair, it doesn't twist outwards. What I mean is it should do something like that, like my arms are doing right now, like that. The reason is because sometimes you want to put your hands like this, so you're able to close to your body and your hand should be out to hold a mouse and do something. But this chair hasn't got that function to be able to twist these handles. I've used a chair that has that function, and it's a delight to actually use that chair. So apart from those few setbacks, this chair is quite okay. The back is all right, it's firm when you sit on it. It has a little bit of sway in it, but you don't want to be stiff in one place. You want that little bit of sway when you sit in a chair, a little bit of springiness there. That's good. And it's been durable. It hasn't broken down or lost its pneumatic function or anything like that. You can move it about in the house, and you can adjust the backrest, the headrest. So I think it's a really good buy, but just take note of the things I mentioned, that your hand might be a little bit forward, and you cannot really twist the handles. Apart from those two functions, it's a really good chair. So that's my final take on it. I don't have anything against it really apart from those. Yeah, thanks.